I think it's gonna be okay. All right, let me see.
Careful. It's very tight.
So it's gonna be okay. See,
So
it
dirty.
grabs. See, it grabs. The sink grabs. So it's gonna be okay.
You still have to pull that out, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Now I'm gonna clean this area, and I'm gonna sit on the new towels. Let it dry for tomorrow. Then I'll sit the sink down. See, it's nice and tight, so it's gonna stay.
No, you still have to grout it, right?
Yeah, you have to ground it. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull it out, pull out the sink again. Just wanted to make sure it's gonna stay tight, and do all the towel, and that's it. Come on, fucking bitch. I think I'm gonna do it the other way. I think I'm gonna do it the other way. This way.
Now we have the sink
I'm gonna do it this way
in
because
place.
the other way, I can do it. It's working. Now it's working. But it's very tight on here. A 6-foot man like me can fit on here.
6 foot. 6 foot, oh my goodness. I can fit in it.
I hope you're not showing my plumber's butt.
Yeah,
Don't show my plumber's butt.
tambutsu. Tambutsu. It's very tight.
I hope this is not.
They make this kitchen very small.
It's not small. This
It's very tight.
It's tight over here because this is like a pantry. It's called a pantry. The kitchen is big. It's the pantry. This is actually a pantry. In the old days, they used to use pantries all the time. And this is a very old house. This house is over 100 years old.
There must be ghosts in here.
A lot of ghosts. There's a lot of ghosts in here. And they're all welcome. It's enough room for everybody. The house is big.
In the 3rd floor, I feel like every time I go there, it's like
I think there's one behind you now.
You're crazy. Stop that.
It's a Filipino thing. They believe in ghosts. They believe in all this stuff.
Yeah, because it's old house.
It's a ghost right behind you. See, that's it. That's all.
That pipe is so dirty.
Huh?
That pipe.
Oh, who cares? It's only a pipe for the drain. You want to go wash it? You want to clean it up?
There's no water here. I have to go to the 3rd floor to get the water.
No. This is, oh yeah, because the other sink was set up a little different. Okay.
Why now? Problem again?
A little problem. The pipe now has to be moved over. this shit through here. That's what I want to get rid of. Push it.